Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was actually just sent this battery-free wireless doorbell. Wireless meaning this part here that attaches on that's actually your button, but this piece that's actually your speaker and your light just simply plugs into any standard 110 outlet. So I'm going to go ahead and plug that in over here and show you that. Now once that's in here, all you got to do is stick this on the wall. They give you two different options to do that, either by screwing it in or a sticky pad to just stick that on. So this can really adhere pretty much anywhere, and then just simply push the button. Now this has 38 separate charms that you can easily go through by pushing this button on the side, and you also have several volume levels as well. But by simply clicking this button on the side, you can select from a variety of different charms, and then you have different noise levels as well on that, which is nice. So this works 600 feet away, waterproof on this part here, lots of different ways to install. Loving the fact this is batteryless as far as this clicker part. That way if you have a loved one or somebody that needs a little extra attention, or possibly even need to put this by their bed for an alert, you have it just a click away.